Taxi driver whose door hit cop charged with attempted murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 33-year-old taxi operator who allegedly attempted to hit a policeman with a motor car on Knutsford Boulevard in Kingston 5 on November the 9th has been charged with attempted murder. He is Peter Johnson of a Greater Port Moresby, Catching address. Reports from the police are that on November the 9th, about 12 noon, Johnson was in the process of being prosecuted for several road traffic offenses when he drove a Toyota Probox motor car in the direction of a police officer who was hit by the passenger door of the vehicle. The policeman fired a round at Johnson in his defense of his life, the police said in a statement. Johnson was hit in the leg and taken to hospital where he was treated and released. Johnson was subsequently arrested and charged with attempted murder.
You can't do that, Dada. You can't do
The taxi driver is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on February 16, 2024. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.